Hello everyone. Today in this video I am showing how to do Tanjore painting on the cloth. So for this we require acrylic fabric colors, golden and whichever colors you require. Then you need a golden 3D liner and we have to fix a cloth to the ring. Then the next step you have to sketch your design on the cloth. So the next you have to start painting. In this you can see I used pink, green, golden fabric color and a 3D liner for the outlines. Then I have filled this with the colors, whichever color you require, your that is up your wish. So I have used pink, green, blue and a golden color. So this is a design for the ants which I have choose. The same way, first you have to sketch on the cloth, then use a 3D liner and a golden acrylic color, and then you start painting. So this is the design. If you wish, you can also use kundans to stick. So this is the outcome. I've stitched my blouse. So thank you for watching. Hope you liked my design. Please subscribe, like.